Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.
The Dallas police chief says in the past year, his officers seized enough fentanyl to potentially kill thousands of people. DPD has linked dozens of overdose deaths to that illicit substance that they're finding laced in other pills and drugs. Fox 4's Stephen Dial live at Dallas Police Headquarters tonight with the story. Stephen.
Dallas police started investigating fentanyl overdose cases last year, and they have been getting multiple seizures in that span, and we've had multiple accidental deaths. Now, this presentation before City Council today was at the request of the Public Safety Committee.
We look at it like a pandemic in a way.
Monday, Dallas police gave a look based on its investigations at the impact of fentanyl in the city. Last year, the department's Special Investigation Division assigned a detective to investigate overdoses linked to fentanyl. Since then, it's found more than 60 accidental deaths involving controlled substances that were linked to fentanyl. There are now 2 detectives in the division investigating these types of overdoses.
It really wasn't until the last few years that we've really seen it here.
According to the DEA, it only takes 2 milligrams to make a fatal dose of fentanyl. So far this year, Dallas police seized nearly 4,000 grams. For perspective, 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams.
The number of grams, it doesn't sound very big, right? Like 4,000 grams doesn't sound like a lot until you start realizing that that it's just 2 milligrams for a fatal dose.
Major Devin Polk with the Dallas Police Department says the majority of fentanyl they're seeing is actually laced with other drugs and sold as something else, usually in the form of a blue pill.
One of these counterfeit M30 tablets typically goes for sale on the streets for $20 to $40 a piece.
Police say right now what they need are more resources. Assistant Chief Michael Igo says that starts with making sure every officer is equipped with a life-saving drug called Narcan.
Where do you think that we can best invest the city's dollars to walk the walk?
Obviously, if we can put more Narcan in our officers' hands. We do have it in some of our officers' hands as it stands now, but to have it in every officer's hands would be a plus.
Police say the court system is also sending a strong message.
20 to life for killing someone by dealing them fentanyl that's one of the ways that we're going to combat this.
You can get them on social media platforms, e-commerce. Anybody with a smartphone can purchase these things.
But Major Polk acknowledges there's only so much police can do on the enforcement side. He pointed towards public service announcements and education campaigns to ensure people understand how dangerous the drug can be.
We need public health. We need our schools, all levels. It's parents, it's teachers, it's coaches, it's everybody.
And to Councilman Basil Dua's point of asking should all officers have Narcan, a city staff member told him that the city is in the process of working on some things, but they did not give a timeline. So we could see maybe next year all DPD officers carrying Narcan.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.